All right, here's how I do a factory reset. It's pretty quick. I fully charge the device here. I like to take the cover off, just makes it easier for me. Here's the only tricky part is you want to have your device ready to hit the reset button. What you're going to do is you're going to hold this button and then click this, and then we'll watch and we'll wait. So I'm holding this, I'm clicking, and now I just wait. 2, 3, 4. Sometimes this light will stay on green. It depends on how fast you got to the click from when the hold it. I'm still holding this button up here till eventually we'll see this. I think it's around 15 seconds or so. It'll turn white. Now I can let go. And now I like to flip it over just for the fun of it. Now what it'll do is it'll work on calibrating the screen with a series of programs that I run. So just watch this for a second. Let me put it better in the center of the camera. There's, you can see it's calibrating. And now it's double checking and adjusting parameters and double checking or triple checking, I guess. And now it's done. And that's it. Now it's reset and ready to go.